I want to extend Gauss elimination method with partial poverty. What is a partial poverty? You need to arrange, all right, A11 should be the biggest value. A22 should be the biggest value compared to another other A's in the same column, not same row, same column. So this is you need to arrange. Arrange a linear system of equation by row. However, you need to look A11 should be the greatest, the biggest value for compared to A21, A31, A41. This next is a A3, A22 should be the biggest, the greatest value compared to the A32 and A42 with the column 2 and also column 3 and so on. So follow the rule, okay, then the third is you need to follow the rule for the row operation as stated in the Gauss elimination without partial poverty. Means that you need to follow the 3 rule. What the rule? Rearrange, rescale, and rearrangement. There are 3 operations for elementary row operation. All right. So now, okay, please don't forget to make sure that A11 always the biggest, A22 always the biggest. All right. So this is a row you need to change. All right. So the add value now is a change by row for the biggest value. All right. So now, let's go to this example. All right. So this is a matrix. Okay. Full matrices, 3 by 3. All right. Solve using 4 decimal places. 4 decimal places. Take your calculator. Okay. Find the equation. All right. Mood fix 4. Okay. Because you want to control 4 decimal places. Please. Okay. Call. Where is your calculator? You get answer. Who get the answer?
Madam, the value of x1 is
x1 is
1.0000.
x2?
X2 is negative 1.0000.
X3?
X3 is 1.0000.
Okay. Now, I want you to use Gauss elimination with partial poverty with a step. Thank you very much. Okay, congratulations. All right, very good. Okay, now I want to solve using Gauss elimination with partial poverty. All right, with the how many steps tadi? How many steps? Is a 4 step, 3 steps, 3 steps. All right. So let's go to the 3 steps. The first is, okay, we need to change row 1 and row 3. Why? Because A31 greater than A11. Right? So we want to make sure that A11 is the greater. We want to divide with a big number. Okay, when any numbers divide by big number, they will produce a small number. So that is a calculator do. That is a MATLAB do. So now bring row 2 will be row 3 and row 3 will be row 1. Change row. Okay, change row. Why? Because we want to make sure that A11 always positive. Absolute value always positive. So I change row 3 and row 1. I changed already by row. Is okay because A11 is the biggest value. Second, I apply Gauss elimination where I need to make sure that A21 will be 0 and A31 will be 0. It's same as Gauss elimination before. I want to make sure because I want to develop upper matrices. So A21 will be 0, A31 will be 0. How? I need to use elementary row operation to get the value of the row rearrangement. I already told you last week, okay, row arrangement. So I need to declare the parameter A31 and A21. A31 is a A31 divided by A11. M21 is a A21 divided by A11. So I take the value, okay, A21 is 1.48, see here, divided by 2.68 is 0.522. A31 is a A31 2.51 divided by 2.86 is a 0.966. Okay. This parameter will use to generate the row arrangement. All right. So the new R2, the new row will be negative M21 R1 plus R2. Same as what we learned before, just the way I write. The new R3 is a negative M31R1 plus R3. So I want to apply this row operation for every element of row 2 and row 3. Don't forget. So how many times? Row 2 we have 4. Okay, row 3 we have 4 elements. We need to do 8 elements. All right, A to 1 is 0. A to 2, how to get A to 2? A to 2 is a negative 0.5522 times R1. R1 is a 3.04, okay, plus R2 0.93. All right, so this is a formula. Use this formula for every element. I will get negative 0.7487. All right, how to get A32? Okay, A23. A23, I'm using negative 32, okay, negative 0.5522 times R1. R1 for column, this one is a 2, 3. Okay, for column 3 is a, this one is a row 2, negative 1.3. Okay, row 1 is a negative 148 plus row 3. Okay, row 2. Row 2 is a negative 13. Okay, so the answer is negative 0.4827. How to get A2 for new? All right, negative 0.5522 times R1. R1 is a negative 184 plus R3. Plus R2. R2 is negative 0.75. So the answer is 0.266. All right. So this is the first calculation to get new row 2. So now, how to get row 3, a new row 3? All right, you know that R31 is always 0. R32, okay, come on, we go to the formula. R32, okay, negative M31 0.9366 times R1. R1, where is R1? Okay, is 3.04 plus R3. R3 is 1.48. So you will get A32 is a negative 13673. So you need to do for every element. All right. So you can declare, you can write like this, or you can transform to the matrix. All right. So now you success to do the row operation 2 and row operation 3 to make A31 and A21 0. That's very important. All right. So we need to change the R2 and R3 because A32 is always greater than A22. Okay, when you put the absolute value, A32 always greater than A22. All right, so greater. So meaning that when A32 absolute positive greater than A22, you need to change row 2 and row 3. Change. Change now, you change. Now you change. All right, so the next step, you want to make sure that A32 is 0. How to make A32? Negative 0.7487 will be 0. All right, use the row rearrangement. Okay, negative M2 times R2 plus R3 will develop a new R3. All right, so this is a we learned before. All right, so now we know what is a A32. A32 is a A32 divided by A22 in your mind already. All right. Negative 0.7487 divided by negative 13673 because you are comparing with A22. So you will get 0.5476. So this is your parameter to insert. All right. R3 new equal to negative 32 R2 plus R3. Right. So now, how to change all the element? Okay, A33. How to do the A33? Negative 0.5476. Okay, times R2. Where is R2? Okay, R2 is 5.9162 plus R3. Okay, R3 is a negative 0.4857. So you will get the answer is a negative 3.7224. How to get new value for 34? Okay, the same formula. Negative 0.5476 times R2. R2 is 7.2833 plus R3. R3 is a 0.266. So you will get the answer is a negative 0.72223. So now you are success to develop upper matrices for matrix A, where the value A21, A231, A33 is 0. All right. So now press your calculator. All right, please. Okay, get your calculator. Where is my student? Please get your calculator. Get your calculator. Use your calculator. Equation 3. Put the A1 is 2.68. B1 3.04. C1 negative 148. All right. BA2 0. B2 negative 13673. All right, and then follow the rest. Okay, use your, faham ke? All right, so use calculator now. What is the value? Is you are press your calculator. So now this is the answer. This one just right. This is a Gauss. This is a Gauss elimination with partial probability. All right, so